guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're doing another wig install. I've just been doing wigs and ponytails and wigs and ponytails. I'm getting tired. I miss doing some braids, but when I do get some braids, I'm gonna probably record it because I feel like I haven't done braids in so long. But that's the point. So look at her. She just talking. We be having the best conversations. Like, this is my girl for real. But it was her birthday or whatever coming up, so she wanted to try some colors, so we did this wig. It was so cute, came out so cute on her. But yeah, I'm just getting her braid down done. This install took, I think, like an hour 30. It might have taken longer because I had to paint her curls, but yeah. So I think that's about it. Y'all, my hands look so rough. Like, my hands be getting so burnt up and fried. They be so dry. Like, I just feel like I just be popping up with random cuts every now and then, like on my fingers all the time. Like, it's so annoying, but it's whatever. But yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video, and I hope you guys enjoy. Honestly, when I was about to, it hasn't come up yet. Okay, there we go. But obviously, y'all see when I put these dots. Look, she has no forehead. It's literally, look at how low it's down. I put the dots, but I don't know what I was thinking when I was putting these dots. I think we were talking about something. I was distracted, so I put them like, bro, and I just pulled the wig down even farther. But y'all gonna see, I didn't put the glue down that far. Also, y'all, my hair, just don't even speak on it. The lace was melted. It was, but I put my hair in a claw clip and it fell out, and then I just tried to move it out the way. It was just, it's just a mess. So just bear with me, y'all. I'm just bear with me. So this was the finished look. Tell me it's not giving model. Tell me she not giving model. Oh, okay. But yeah, came out mad cute. I'm gonna stop calling my hairstyles cute because like in the past 3 videos, I just keep saying it came out mad cute. It came out mad cute, but it did come out mad cute. Like you can't tell me this didn't come out mad cute. Like, anyways, but don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, and also let me know what other type of videos y'all want to see down below because like I like doing hair videos, but I want to do more, you know. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.